when generative AI came out, the fear was, well, why would I use Photoshop when I can just go ask Nano Banana or GPT image generator for a cat wearing a Santa suit or whatever you want. So it struggled. I think the shares are down by about half. Before that, it was an incredible business, incredible returns, buying back tons of shares, huge margins because of their subscription model. But people thought that it might be displaced by AI. And they've got a challenge ahead of them, and they've got to do things right to keep ahead. But what they are doing is integrating AI into their products. They have the audience, right? So they're putting it in front of their audience. And the way it works is essentially they have an app called Firefly. You go into Firefly and you can select all the other models you can use. You can use Gemini's model. You can use ChatGPT to generate images. You can also use Adobe's own model, which is designed to be copyright friendly, which is very important for a lot of businesses. You know, if you use that, you won't essentially get in trouble for infringing on anything. So that's a nice value add. I don't know how many people need that. But the point is, you go in, you generate your image. It's sitting there in Adobe's products where now you can edit them, you can fine tune them, you can share them, you can remix them, because it's very hard to get exactly what you want out of the large language models so far. And just to put it simply, like, these chatbots are not the end of AI. The AI is going to be integrated into things. It's going to make products stickier and more useful. And that's exactly what Adobe is doing. So people were concerned whether this would work. In the last quarter alone, we started to see some real evidence that it was taking off. Subscriptions to Firefly doubled quarter over quarter. The number of tokens generated with generative AI tripled quarter over quarter. Revenue's up 10% over last year, which is good growth for such a large company. And so after those recent earnings, it shows that they're really sort of making the right moves to get people into these products, that it's resonating with people. You can see the inflection on the chart after that earnings. So all these companies have to adapt. They have to work through this. They have to innovate. But Adobe is doing the right thing so far, and it's much cheaper than it was 3 or 4 years ago. So I think it's going to be an AI winner this year.